Hi guys, so welcome back to my next video. So today I am actually going to be doing an unboxing or unbagging for you guys. So I just bought the Travelon Boho water bag purse. Put a link to it in the description. So really excited about this. It's hot up here. Sorry. So I'm really excited about this purse because I'm starting to eat a lot healthier. I'm starting to up my water intake. If you want to know why, please check out this video here. So anyway, let's get so I'm really excited. Been waiting for this purse for about a week. Got here pretty quickly. So let's get this open. Go cooperate. I got the gray one. They have like 4 or 5 different colors. They have a black one, the gray one, kind of like in 2 like floral print ones. And I don't have the actual bottle. I don't know what size bottle it takes. So probably after this, I'll probably go head into the store and try a whole bunch of bottles and see which one fits. It's actually pretty big. I've had a bottle purse like this in the past, and it was really bulky. It's bright pink. But then I want to point out too that this one here does not have a thermal lining, so I guess I'm probably going to be getting like a stainless steel bottle. That is really thick though too. That's it. Also, I wanted to point out too is an anti-theft bag too. So pretty neat. And also you can adjust the straps too. Just one strap. So that will actually hold quite a big water bottle, I think. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, the material inside. No, probably not. It's like a striped material. But the thing I was really looking, other than the water bottle aspect of it, this is one thing I was really looking at. Oh, that's neat. See? Yeah, here's a hook. I really like that feature. That's really, really neat. But this other feature I really liked, you know, I'm trying to minimize the stuff that I carry around. My purse is pretty big right now, and I'm just tired of carrying a big purse. So one thing I really was looking forward to, it actually has, like a built-in wallet. So I don't have to carry a separate wallet, and then my phone in here too, because that's the other purse that I had like this. I couldn't fit my wallet and my phone in the purse at the same time with the water bottle. So this is really nice. I really like it. There you go. I'll probably show you guys a clip at the very end of the video here about what it looks like with the water bottle in it and stuff. But this is really neat. I'm really excited about this actually. It's a little bit better quality than I thought. It has this really thick material and everything like that. So wow. I'm really impressed. I'm actually really looking forward to trying this out and seeing how good it works, because I'm really rough on stuff like this. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll be showing you this, what it looks like with everything in it. So I just want to give you guys a little bit update on my purse. I've been using it for a couple days now and I absolutely love it. So I just got a water bottle at Walmart, and it's pretty big actually. It's about 32 ounces, I think. And then of course I got my hand sanitizer right here, my keys, and the built-in wallet I absolutely love. And my phone fits perfectly right here too. So this is a very good purchase in my opinion. I absolutely love this purse. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. You know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.